Here I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open some interesting display, maybe the calendar, and if you would like to show someone that you have no plans for the first week of May, just tap on power key, hold it for a short while, and then click on screenshot. And that's it. As you can see, your screenshot has been made. You can share it with your friends, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to. Then let's go to the second method. Let's open, for example, the settings, and if you would like to show someone that your battery is pretty low, for example, if it is, just tap on power key and volume down key, hold them all together, and as you can see, here is the screenshot. You can also create a long screenshot, so you can have more than just one display on one photo. Just tap on power key and volume down key and tap over here on this icon, long screenshot, and as you can see, it has been created and your screenshot includes all the settings. So that's it. Now we can find all your screenshot in the gallery. So let's open the gallery, collections, screenshot, and here are your screenshots. And here you can share them, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to with those pictures. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Now you can create a screenshot whenever you need or want to. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.